everyone, as promised, I'm back with another set of mispronounced words. So without much delay, let's begin. So, do you see this word? How do you pronounce that? I'll give you some time, okay? Just try this word. Did you pronounce it as pronunciation or pronunciation? So people who have pronounced it as pronunciation gets full marks because it is pronunciation and not pronunciation. Okay, so that is our first word. Now, do you go to market to buy this stuff? What's that? Vegetable? Vegetable? Then you're wrong. It is not vegetable, it's vegetable. Okay, how do you pronounce that word? It's vegetable. Now, the next one is very common because we see them everywhere, and whenever we have a problem, we first think about them. Who are they? Look at this word. Police? No, that's our way of saying that, but it's not like that, okay? It is police. Police. Okay? So don't mispronounce this word hereafter. Now, if you're working in a company, I'm sure that you would be having a boss or a manager, and how do you address them? S-I-R. What's that? Sir? No, it's not sir, okay? It is sir. Sir. So be stylish, and next time, please call them as sir and not sir. Okay? Now, let's move on to the next word. It's related to a sickness, okay? It is a sickness actually. It is spelled as A-S-T-H-M-A. How do you pronounce that word? Asthma? No guys, T-H is silent over here. It is just asthma. Asthma. Okay? It's very common in kids and the elderly people, this kind of sickness. I'm sure that you would be knowing what it is. But it is pronounced as asthma and not asthma. Okay? T-H is silent. So let's move on to the next word. It's very familiar and a very common word. Everybody knows it. The only thing is we usually pronounce this word as divorce. Okay? But it's not divorce. I is short over here. It is divorce. Divorce. I'm sure I don't have to explain the meaning of this particular word because everybody knows what it is. So hereafter, pronounce this word as divorce and not divorce. Okay? And the final word, it is this one. What's that word? I'm sure you will be using as an alternative to pressing the clothes. It's iron. Okay, it's not iron because R is silent over there. It's iron. That's all. So these are very simple words, guys, because we use this in our daily life. So hereafter, don't make mistake when you pronounce these words. Okay? And if you want to know more about the course that we offer at English Ladder, please contact the number given below. Okay, so that's all. So until I meet you next time, bye-bye, take care.